To utilize Tinder's passport mode, begin by opening the app, which is recognizable by its blue field with a white flame icon. Upon opening the app, you will see various options, including games, apps, arcade, and a search button. Located at the bottom row, click on the search button to access the search bar, and type in Tinder to locate the Tinder dating app. Once found, download the app, then locate it on your device. The Tinder app is identifiable by its red square with a white flame icon. Upon opening the app, you will see options such as your flame, search, likes, messages, and profile. To activate passport mode, navigate to your profile, then proceed to the settings. Located at the top right, within the settings, you will find various options to add information to your biography, including details about your drinking habits, loves, communication style, and more. Scroll down to the location portion, found under the Discovery section, and click on it. This will provide you with the option to add a new location, allowing you to swipe in a different city than your current location. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Tinder's passport mode and expand your dating pool beyond your current location.